Hi my friends, it's Miss Kate from School 1057 in San Marcos, California, and today we are going to be making a bird feeder. Now for your bird feeder, you are going to need some bird feed, and I put some in a baking tray just to make it easier to roll. Some string, twine, or anything like that will work. A toilet paper roll, something to spread the peanut butter on, so it could be a spoon or a popsicle stick, scissors to cut your string, and of course some peanut butter. So let's get started. First, we are going to need to tie our string onto our toilet paper roll so that we can hang it somewhere. So I'm just going to take my blue string and push it through the center of the toilet paper roll, and I'm going to choose a length that I like to hang it from. So you can make it as short or as long as you would like, and I am just going to quickly double knot it. Once you are done double knotting your string, you can go ahead and cut it off. And you are ready to move on. Next, we are going to take our peanut butter and we are going to take whatever utensil you are using to spread your peanut butter. I'm using a popsicle stick, and we are going to dip it into the jar. Now, once I have some peanut butter, I'm just going to go over my tray just in case I spill so I don't make a mess, and I'm going to try to spread it all along my toilet paper roll. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So I want you to spread, spread, spread all the way out to both edges. And you're going to need to dip back into the toilet paper. You're going to need to dip back into the peanut butter a few different times. Spreading, spreading, spreading. And you'll notice I'm putting a nice thick layer all along the toilet paper roll. Now, your hands might get a little bit messy, and that is okay. It is all part of the process, and we can just wash them at the end. So let's keep spreading that peanut butter all over the toilet paper roll. And I have one little section left, so I'm going to try to hang it so I get a little less messy, and then hold it on either end. But if you need to hold it on the peanut butter, that is okay, or you can get someone's help to hold it for you. And I'm just covering the last of my toilet paper roll, a little bit more peanut butter. And I think I'm ready. So if you look at my toilet paper roll, you can see that it is completely covered in peanut butter. And the last step is to just dip it into the birdseed. And I'm going to make sure to get all of the birdseed on the peanut butter, a nice thick layer. So just keep rolling it around in your birdseed until it is nice and covered and none of the peanut butter is showing. Don't be afraid to scoop some of the birdseed up and place it that way, or to really roll it a few different times until it is completely covered. And when you are done, you will have your bird feeder. Now you can hang this outside wherever you would like, on your porch, in your yard, on a tree, and birds will be able to eat the birdseed right off of the toilet paper roll. Now my friends, I hope you have fun doing this activity at home and that you see lots of birds using your bird feeder, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!